When installing and maintaining mobile communication antenna system, the key is to perform one-port measurements fast and accurate the first time. That's exactly what the service provider, infrastructure manufacturers, and network operators can do with Cable Rider ZPH. Together with its unique features, fast and efficient cable antenna measurements can be performed at ease. There are two models available, a pure one-port cable antenna analyzer and a two-port model with spectral analysis and tracking generator features. With a measurement speed of 0.3 millisecond per data point, it is significantly faster than any other instrument. Featuring faster boot up and warm up time, the analyzer allows users to start taking measurements just over a minute after boot up. Moreover, the requirements for calibration is not necessary because of change of temperature or change of frequency. This helps to save time. When calibration is needed to eliminate the effects of additional cables or adapters that connects the analyzer to the device under test, the ZNZ103 automatic calibration units performs one-step calibration in just one step. The Cable Rider ZPH is ideal for use in the field thanks to its lightweight of only 2.5 kg and a battery life of 9 hours. Users can handle a full day work without interruption. Another time-saving feature is the use of the wizard function that guides users through measurements in the easy-to-follow steps. All setting and measurement steps can be pre-configured. Field technicians only need to execute the test sequences as shown on the display. The wizards helps inexperienced field technicians to avoid operating mistakes when performing cable and antenna measurements. The Cable Rider ZPH fulfills field measurement tasks fast and efficient.